We would now like to show you how ABS actually works. First, we'll demonstrate emergency braking with a bike without ABS riding on an ordinary asphalt road surface. Next, a bike fitted with ABS. The average rider will stop quicker on a bike fitted with ABS. Now we'll compare the two bikes on slippery ground. With sudden braking, the front wheel of the bike without ABS locks, resulting in unstable movement. Now the bike with ABS. The ABS detects the wheel locking caused by sudden braking and assists in bringing the bike to a controlled and stable halt. The brake lever and pedal vibrate when the ABS system activates, a characteristic of the ABS function. With ABS, when the wheel speed sensors fitted to the front and rear wheels detect locking, the computer unit controls braking power individually to prevent wheel lock and a dangerous loss of stability.